Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing a 2011 21-inch iMac. And we're also going to be putting an SSD in it. And I also bought a new keyboard and mouse for it. This is going to be a new part of our iMac collection back there. We have a 2015 21-inch and a 2009 21-inch. And then we got a 2008 24-inch iMac back there. So I think this would be a great part of the collection. So let's unbox it and get with the upgrades. See this right here. It's a lot of packaging right here. There we are. Finally got it out. Alright. I'm gonna put it on the table and I'll be right back.
Hey guys, the microphone in the script was not working, so I'm going to use voiceover. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open up the iMac. And opening up one of these iMacs is so easy. All you need is a suction cup to get to the glass and don't crack it. All you need to do is get a suction cup and suction out the glass easily without cracking it. So now we got the suction cup, and as you can see, get the suction cup and the display, and boom, it's gonna come out like that. See? That's it. And then you gotta take off the screws from the display, and then you have to remove the display cables, and yeah, you see that in the process. We're going to put a time lapse on it because it does take a while to do this, so enjoy. Alright, so now we got all the display screws, display cables out, and then we release the display. We're not going to be doing any cleaning or anything. All we're going to do is we're going to take out the hard drive and put in an SSD drive, and then we're going to power it up. And putting an SSD on this computer is also very easy. As soon as you get inside of it, you connect the hard drive. So basically, the easiest thing to do in this Mac is replace a hard drive than replacing anything else like a graphics card or anything. So yeah, do another time lapse of me trying to take out this hard drive and put it in an SSD. Enjoy. Alright guys, so I put the SSD and the bracket on off camera. So if you guys are looking for tutorials, sorry. This is not really like a tutorial. It's kind of like, an overview of what I'm doing. But I'm sorry. If you want a tutorial, just ask and I'll definitely do a separate one. Anyways, we got the SSD in and let's continue. Hey guys, so this is it. We finished the SSD upgrade. I took the SSD out of my 2012 Mac Mini that was running Big Sur. Also, while I'm taking off that sticker, I was also deciding whether I should keep the iMacs in the table or put it in my desk. Wait and see what happens at the end. There's gonna be a huge update. In the meantime, all we need to do is plug it in and see if it works. This is it, guys. I plugged it in with the keyboard and mouse. Now, the moment of truth. Will it turn on? And we got life, people. This is a complete success. Now all we need to make sure is that the SSD works. By the way, hint, it did.
You press Alt maybe? Alright, well, you let that work. See what happens. For now, I'm gonna move my camera all the way back there. Oh!
Hey guys, so I decided to make a conclusion to this video. And basically I moved the iMacs to my desk. And the iMac is running just fine. I can run games, I can do some editing. And as you can clearly see, I'm still editing this video, but I'm almost done. So yeah, that's really it. It's basically just things I do when I get a new iMac. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. And see you in the next one. Bye.